Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money on Hard Rock Bet. So it's really easy and simple. First things first, you want to go to the sports betting website and you want to log into your account if you're not done this already. Now, you're going to go ahead and visit the cashier page. You're going to locate the cashier page / payments page. Go ahead and locate that page. Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to select on add a payment method. So you want to choose your preferred deposit method and you want to input the required details. For example, if you're choosing a credit or debit card, what you're going to do is you're going to input your account number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. And if applicable, depending on your country, you can also add in the zip code. And then, guys, of course, you want to enter the deposit amount. You just enter the amount of funds that you actually wish to deposit into your sports betting account and click on the deposit account. Then, of course, guys, usually you want to just confirm the deposit and just check if the funds have actually been added to your account balance, and you can go ahead and wager them. So it's that easy and simple, guys. So hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.